All right, Robin, let's summarize. We've talked about a lot in this module. Let's see what we've learned.
So, information gathering is a very important stage in preparing to attack a network or system. We have seen that there are 7 steps to collate information. It starts with gathering initial information and then finding out the network range. You don't have to get onto the network or scan it. This is called passive footprinting.
Right, but then after that, you go for active footprinting, where you can scan the network and ports to identify machines and access points. You can scan for ports and figure out if they are vulnerable. You then go for fingerprinting the operating system and banner grab to find out the services running on the system. With the knowledge of the network, ports on machines, operating system, and software details, now you can prepare a security profile of the target network or the system.
Then we also looked at how information collated from social networks can be used to trick the people to install malware, solicit confidential information by using the phishing, vishing, and impersonating. We also looked at how Google hacking database and exploit database can be used. They are quite useful to gain information to aid the hackers. Google has advanced search features and operators to help you figure out the vulnerabilities.
Right, and we saw a few tools that can help you with footprinting, and we gave you the steps to carry out penetration testing for footprinting.
So if you're part of an organization and you want to protect your systems and networks from attacks, you will need to make necessary arrangements to prevent footprinting. You will have to follow the steps a hacker would.